I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Can you can? I said can. I did it! Greetings everyone, welcome to Miss Dolly's tongue twister. All the way from Singapore, it's good to have you. I hope you managed to enjoy our last tongue twister on Susie and her shoe shine shop. Today, it's the S, but it's not so difficult. It's about screaming and about ice cream that you eat. I'm sure many of you love to eat ice cream. So let me go slow. I scream. You scream. We all scream for ice cream. Let's try it a little faster. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I'm sure you got that. It's not too difficult. You can just let us see. It's all about cans. I'm going to go slow. Can you can as a can. That was a lot of C's. I'm gonna try it fast. I'm gonna challenge myself. Can you can as a can. I did it! Let's try it one more time. Can you can as a can. I did it. And I'm sure if I can do it, you can do it too. So enjoy till we meet next time. Bye.